my scanners so I can hear all the scanners. Futures up 20 here, and we are what they say off. Dun 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Uber 52.5 trading here, nothing doing that one. Bum, 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 bum. SRNE. Is that the one I have? ZYNE. Do I have a offer in ZYNE? I do. Soho up 8 cents. That trade is over. NRG is higher. BABA down. GameStop higher. Glow higher. BSX 46s trading here. Nothing doing that one. Glow calls are 11.14. Glow up 38 cents here. Top of the morning, but BB trading here. Nothing doing that one. JP Morgan trading here. RDSA is higher. MUX trading here, no 2 puts. RDSA higher, IOVA lower, BKR higher. I mean, Baker Hughes for 10 cents, I think they're great. Baker Hughes for 10 cents, I think those are great. AOTS trading here. July 12s, 90 cents. No, thank you. ATOS, July 9's trading 90 cents. I don't know why that didn't hit my covered call scanner. Wow. I'm going to try to get in at like 570. So I'm trying to do a covered call here in ATOS. ATOS, I'm trying to do a covered call here. 570 and 85, I can do that. 570 and 85. I'm not going to do it just because it didn't hit my covered call scanner. BKE higher, Glow higher. Tesla, next week 700 is being bought. Tesla, next week 700 is being bought. Ew. MSTR trading here. Square trading here. EDU, 52-week low in that one's. 52-week low in EDU. Stock's on 26 cents. If Glow is a little bit of a better price, I'm going to look to buy more EDU Oct 11s for 30. EDU Oct 11s, I'm looking to get in at 30. Meow, Oct 27.5 puts trading here, nothing in that one. Futures a little bit of weakness. If you knock out at PHM, you want to get out of PHM, you can get out around 80 cents. You got out of PHM on Friday. NRG, I'm looking for some NRG calls on the SEP 42s. APA higher, BKR higher, Soka higher, Freeport higher, RDSA higher, NOLOC higher. Glow, 11.14. Futures only up 13. This could be a dead cat bounce that gets sold. I'd be very careful on getting long on days like today, guys. Be very careful getting long days like today. Oh, wait, Kate, but the market is up. I know it is for now. Ooh, LEV, I need to get out too. 200 shares of LEV. Let's try to get in at 1860. DraftKings 50s trading here being sold. 5-minute bar closes here in about a minute. No signals today. Freeport calls being sold. Freeport at 50, up 59 cents here in Freeport. McNamara. U.S. Steel trading here. Roku 380 is being bought above the offer. Nothing new in that one. Glow calls are down to 12. Stock's up 30 cents. 13 bid. JetBlue AUG 20s being sold. Wow, JetBlue AUG 20s. Oh, AUG 20s. I was looking at the AUG 18s. We have our first official day trade, guys. We have our first official day trade. I'm going to try to get in 54. Alcoa, guys. First official day trade in Alcoa, guys. First official signal in Alcoa, guys. First official signal here in Alcoa. It's this week 34s, guys. Alcoa this week 34s. They hit at 50 cents, guys. Alcoa this week 34s hit at 50 cents, guys. Alcoa, you're gonna bet 49. First official signal of the day. Alcoa 34s. So day trade. Buy, double A, 625, 2021, 34 calls for 50. Targets, 62 and 75. So official signal here in Alcoa. You could take this as an ATR trade too. Alcoa calls being bought, guys. Alcoa calls being bought here in Alcoa. This week 34s, 50 cents is the official entry, guys. Targets would be 62, which is 25%, and then 62 and 75. So official signal here in Alcoa at 50 cents, guys. Alcoa 34s, 50 cents, guys. Alcoa 34s, 50 cents will be official signal in Alcoa. We will track that from that level in Alcoa. Alcoa. So targets would be 62 and 75. 62 and 75. Freeport. More calls being bought here in Freeport. Next week calls in Freeport, the 38s. I'm going to call this as an official signal at 57 cents, guys. Freeport first signal, guys. 1450 club signal. Buy. Freeport. 7/2/2021, 38 calls for 57. Targets, 80 and 105. First official signal, guys, in Freeport. Timestamp and dated it so you can see you could have got in at 57 cents, guys. So, Freeport, guys. Freeport, 7/2/2021, 38 calls, 57 cents is your entry in Freeport. Alcoa bought it at 50, sold it at 60. Great trading, guys, on our day trade scanner. Check that out. Look at Alcoa rip to the upside. Target one hit in Alcoa. No, it's at 61. 62 about to get hit, guys. Alcoa, target one hit. Wow. Target number one hit in Alcoa, guys. BKE higher, glow higher, glow calls. These are up to 12.14. They traded up to 15 today. They have what we call a soft delta. They have what we call a soft delta. So Freeport hit. Next week, 38s. We got in at 57. Alcoa starting to move up here. They're coming after the resource names. BKE higher. How's my good friend Muds? Muds down. Luxa down. CRWD, nothing new in that one. So Alcoa, guys, nice signal in Alcoa. GameStop up 3. I think you could hold Alcoa if you wanted to. It does have a good ATR, average true range. So Alcoa's ATR is a $1.83. So if you wanted to hold it for an ATR trade, I think it's okay. You know, there's the overlap for day trades and ATR trades. It kind of just depends what you want to do with your money. So Alcoa, I think you could hold it overnight. XPV calls being sold. XPV calls being sold. Nothing to do in that one. Freeport, next week, 38s, guys. 57 cents, our first signal of the day. More Macy's trading here. These are R21s. BKE higher. The buckle. We got out of the buckle. I think you can get BKRs for a dime. I still think these are good, guys. BKR, the 7/16/2021, you can get the 27s for 10 cents. I think those are good. Freeport hanging out. Alcoa hanging out. TTD puts being bought small. Glow up 61 cents. Glow calls 13.14. Ooh, 5-minute bar. Good point. I didn't look at any of those. 5-minute bar. Amazon. No signal. We have a day trade in AMRS. I think that's AMRS. I wouldn't take these. These are 5-cent wide. So these are 5-cent wide, guys. I wouldn't take these. 5-minute bars. You know, we had such a bad day on Friday, I probably wouldn't take it. Oh, Amazon getting a hit. Amazon at 42. Apple down, Baba down, Google down, Facebook down, Netflix down, and Tesla down. So no 5-minute bars, guys. It's an interesting day today. Looks like they're rotating out of FANG and into, you know, the commodity-based names. They're selling FANG, getting into the commodities. I mean, Amazon's on $45. Oh, you had a good day in Roku on Friday? Nice. So the FANG names are out of favor today. Coinbase down to 220. So no 5-minute bar longs today, guys. No 5-minute bar longs. Freeport, you can get in at 57 right now. IOVA lower. I still like NRG. NRG set 42. You can get them at 90. I'll keep an eye on NRG for 303. APA on fire. BKR on fire. Oh, I was going to buy the July 27s in BKR, but I did not. Roblox. I think that trade is over. I don't see anything to do in Roblox. AXTA, July 33s. Guys, AXTA, guys, July 33s. These are not technically bought on the offer. AXTA, July 33s trading here, 30 cents, guys. AXTA, July 33s. These are technically not bought on the offer. AXTA, July 33s, guys. These are technically not bought on the offer. AXTA, these are technically not bought on the offer. AXTA, technically not bought on the offer here, guys. AXTA, technically not bought on the offer. AXTA, guys. AXTA, technically not bought on the offer. AXTA. Freeport in at 57. Nice. Come on, baby, let the good time roll. Oh. XTA, well, technically wasn't bought on the offer, it's just mid-market. So it wasn't bought on the offer. It wasn't bought on the offer. BKR up a little bit. Freeport selling off a little bit. Alcoa selling off. Futures up 18.5, getting a little bit on the futures. We saw one day trade so far today. One day trade. Depends on where you got into that trade at. It might have been a winner, might have been a loser. Alcoa, why is it so wide? I don't know. Let's look. It's 45 at 51 now. Glow higher. Glow up 60 cents. Glow calls are 13.15. FDX trading here. Glow calls are $4 on the money, and I get a couple weeks on those. Still like debating if I want to get out of Glow here. All the oil names are higher today, guys. All the oil names are higher. Oil names are higher. The oil names are higher today. Oil to the moon. You think oil's going to 100? I think oil's going to 100. Alcoa got filled at 45. Ooh. I would take an ATR trade at 45. I don't know how you got filled at 45. They're back up to 55. Freeport calls are 55. APA moving higher. BKE higher. GameStop 75 cents. BABA down a little bit here. Oh, it dropped. Yeah, they're 60 cents again. They're 60 cents again. Bum 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 bum. NLOK, EDU. Only two things have hit. We have one day trade that is a day trade scan. That's a winner. And we have one trade that hit Freeport. Freeport next week, 38. So you're going to be at 52 now. We got in at 57. So let's go in here and make this an official signal. You're up $7. Better than being down, right? Up $7 is better than being down. Freeport down to 52. Still trying to figure out what to do with Glow. I don't know if I should sell Glow or not. Go 15 bid. Okay, guys, we're gonna exit all Glow here for 14 cents. Exit to close and filled. Sell all GLW calls for 14 cents. Out of all Glow, guys. So out of Glow, we're gonna take everything off of 303 and 1450 Club at 14 cents, guys. So Glow, we're gonna exit everything in Glow at 14 cents. GLW, we're exiting Glow at 14 cents. We're going to say, hey, you know what? That trade was a loser. We'll take our loser. We'll move on to the next trade. So Glow, guys, we're taking off everything at 14. GLW, we're taking off everything at 14. PHM calls back up to 90. So GLW, guys, we're going to take off everything here at 14 cents. GLW, we're taking everything off at 14 cents, guys. GLW, we're going to take off everything at 14 cents. That trade is over. Wah, 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 wah. Taking off all Glow, guys, at 14 cents. We're taking off all Glow at 14 cents, guys. Glow at 14. We're out. I'm going to try to do an ATR trade here of Alcoa at 35. So Alcoa at 35, I'm going to try to take an ATR trade. So I'm 35 bid in Alcoa. I'm out of Glow. We are out of the Glow. Out of the Glow, guys. Glow, AK, you're glowing today. I know, because I took off Glow. Glow, we're out, guys. out of glow, guys. That trade has been a thorn in our side. We're going to move to the sidelines for 303. We are going to be out of the glow, guys. We are out of the glow. Glow, we're out. GLW, we're going to move to the sidelines. We're going to say we're out of glow. GLW, we're out of glow. So we're going to take that trade off. We got in at 15 on Friday. We're out of it. We got in at 52. We're out of it. So we got out at 14. So out of glow, guys. Still in Alcoa, still in Freeport. I want to add that Freeport trade to our portfolio. I think it's good reward risk basis. You could have used a 50% stop loss in that trade. Glow, we're out. Still in BKR twice. Still in RDSA. Those are actually coming back a little bit here. So Freeport, we have a new position on. 6/20/21. Tie, Freeport, July 2nd. 38 calls. The entry was 57. Maybe they're worth 57. Targets are 80 and 105. So we're in the Freeport, guys. We're in the Freeport. APA we took off a while ago. APA we took off a while ago. APA we took off a while ago. Freeport up 50 cents. Next week calls are up to 54, 53, 54. Glow, we're taking off at 14 cents. Roblox, I don't think there's anything to do here in Roblox. Roblox down. You know, if you wanted to, you could start selling some puts naked in this one. I don't have anything on. It could get down to 60 bucks, though. Potentially get down to about 60. Futures up 23. NLOK higher. DB trading here. IWM calls being bought. Alcoa, I am 35 bid for a 4 lot. So I'm trying to get an Alcoa as an ATR trade at 35. You took that day trade, you probably want to start getting off of that day trade. Futures continue higher. Amazon back from the lows. If you look at our scanners here, we have 1 day trade, actually 2 day trades. So we had a day trade in Alcoa. Someone said they got in at 50, out at 60. So Alcoa day trade. And then we saw AMRS, and I said don't take AMRS. Option Hacker flagged 1 trade in Option Hacker. Next week, 38s. And I think Freeport has a pretty big ATR here. $1.72. So I do like that signal in Freeport. If you want, you can use a 50% stop loss. And then nothing, anything else. Nothing, anything else. RDSA is starting to move up here. Look at Glow. RDSA calls up to 35. I'd be buying those. Ooh, I like those at 35. FXI trading here. Oh, we just signal an ALT, the sub 22s. BKE, IOVA, yeah, we're still in that one at 50. Those are the July 30s. They're worth about 45 cents. WBOC 50s trading here, nothing new in that one. It's interesting to see the futures up as much as they are, because if you just took a screenshot, you'd be like, market's down. Like, Amazon down, Apple down, Facebook down. Google's up a little bit. I don't really see too much moving up here. Oh, I sold that UWMC this morning. That was a good sale. I'm not your Luxa. EDR, Freeport. I still like Freeport signal, guys. If you want to use a good 50% stop loss. Glow up 75 cents here. Calls not moving. BKR, I'm still in, yes. I actually almost bought more today at 10 cents. So is today a dead gap bounce that gets sold, or is this the beginning of some more buying pressure? Yeah, Roblox was supposed to get out of it a while ago. I still like RDSA calls. At 35, I like these. Gilead calls being sold. So here's a scan idea. If you've not gotten these yet, you could buy RDSA 730, 2021, 45 calls for 35. I do like these at 35. Targets 50 and 70. So RDSA, guys, I do like these here in RDSA. RDSA, if you want to put these on, you can put these on at 35 cents. Might not get filled on them, but 35 cents, you guys can look to get in RDSA. RDSA. I'm not like, I'm like not like that optimistic about today. But you know, what a bid. Glow calls 13-14 again. Glow is what we call a soft delta. On Friday, the stock was down a lot and the calls didn't move. Now the stock is up and the calls aren't moving. No covered calls today. I bought some EDU OC 11s for 45. Those were a good deal. All I've done to do is sold stock today. Cliff, this week 21 and a half, trading 51 cents, 500. Freeport calls for next week are down to 50. So 57 is the entry. They're down to 50 right now. Rig, Nove 6 is trading here. RIG, Nove 6 is 35,000. 25,000, sorry. 25,000. Rig, 25,000 calls here, guys, on the Nove 6s and Rig. Rig, Nove 6 is 25,000 these trade here. I'm not going to take it as a signal. Rig is such a small ATR, but Rig, Nove 6 is 35 cents, 25,000. Buy RIG, 11, 19, 2021. 6 calls for 35. Targets would be 50 and 70. I still have a covered call in Rig 4.5 for this week. So I guess that's good for me. But so Rig, guys, not an official signal. I really don't want to be buying on days like today, guys. I do not want to be buying on days like today. I do not want to be buying on days like today. I do not want to be buying on days like today. The market's up. I think it's a dead gap bounce. I think we get some selling pressure. Rig. Yeah, we're taking off Glow here at 14. They have what we call a soft delta. Have you seen my Ford lately? Ford. I'm still trying to get an AA as a ATR trade at 35. So AA, I'm still trying to get in at 35. NRG starting to get a bit. I really like those in NRG. Those are moving up a little bit. GameStop pretty much in change. Has Bitcoin been moving at all? Bitcoin not really moving at all. Yeah, that's what I feel. Well, Glow's up 82 cents. But you'll notice this premium start to crush us. Soak up a little bit. Freeport calls down to 46. Freeport getting hit now. They hit a 55. I call this signal 57. That trade is a loser right now. I think the market can go lower. CVAC trading here. Nothing new that. CBay trading here. Nothing new that. You see no covered calls today, guys. Nosy covered calls. No 5-minute bars. Freeport, 45.46. It's been a loser so far. Bullish activity in letters, U.S. Steel. 45,000 calls being bought in U.S. Steel. Freeport's gone from 46 to 35. Just getting absolutely decimated here. No 5-minute bar longs. Took off Glow today. Took off PHM on Friday. PHM back down. So hopefully we got out of that one. KBH trading here. Nothing doing that one. Net trading here. RDSA I think is okay here still. 30 minutes of the day, not many signals today. I'm skeptical on days like today. I'm skeptical on days like today. But we do see a lot of call buying in, you know, Alcoa, Freeport, X, Cliff. So maybe it's an idea to get in some of these. But quiet here. Fix down $1.40. Glow, 86 cents. Calls not moving. Futures up 35, 33 and a half. I want to see selling pressure today. Give me some selling pressure today. Ooh. Another thing you could do here in Glow, you could actually like sell stock delta neutral. You could sell stock delta neutral. I think Bitcoin's going to 28,000. I think it's going to 28,000. I've been saying that for a while. I think Ethereum's going to 1,700. That is just my opinion, though. Any PT trading here, nothing doing that one. BKR, I still think those are okay. I can't believe the market's going up like this. Alcoa calls 42.49. Why is the market going up? I do not understand. Mara trading here, nothing doing Mara. See what Riot is. Riot. Futures up 35.25. NRG got in at 85. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a little bit more of a pullback here in this one. Riot getting crushed on the Bitcoin news. I'm surprised Coinbase isn't down more. Coinbase only down 8. Riot only down 75 cents. Got back to that 30 level. Took off Dollar Tree. Took a PHM on Friday. New position in Freeport. You can use a 50% stop loss if you want it in Freeport. So your stop loss would be like 35 cents. Or like 30 cents, sorry. 1450 Club Signals. We're still in some of these oil names. These haven't worked out. I think adding these oil names are all okay. So we saw... So we're still in BKR. Those are down to 10 cents. I mean, buying them at 10, all I have to do is go to 15. I'm actually long some of these. And then RDSA in at 70. Those are down to 35. And then we have Freeport. So we are long the market, but we're long, you know, very specific names. Freeport, and then the oil names. And if you wanted to take Alcoa, I think Alcoa is okay here too. Freeport calls or REI SEP calls trading here. Back up to 50 here. Riot getting crushed. APA higher. Futures up 36. Wow, slowness. VXRT trading here. That did not hit a cover call scanner. Ooh, I still have a covered call on that one. I'm up 28 bucks today on that one. MasterCard's seen unusual option activity. Man, this market keeps going up. Futures up 37 points. And we usually have a correction. We have a down Friday and then a down Monday. We are not down today, so we might not get that correction. Let me see if I have targets in BKR. Yeah. We can't predict what's going to happen, but I think Freeport's okay. Signal's at 57. You can get them at 50 right now. Targets, if you get in at 50, would be 75 and a buck. You got in at Freeport at 50. It does not feel like the future's up 38 points. Out of glow at 14. $3.50 out of the money. Get 3 weeks on those. Trade has just not worked. GameStop down 5. BABA down 2. TRN calls being bought small. July 37s in Trinity, guys. July 27s in Trinity being bought very small in Trinity Networks. Oh my God. Trinity, July 27th being bought small. 65 cents. If it was a big order, I would 100% call this out. Nice. TRN, guys, small order. If it was a big order, I would call this out as a signal. Careful on days like today. And I think the resource names can go up with the market going down. Come on, give me a signal. BBBY, July 30s trading here. Nothing to do with that one. TRN trading here. Small. Dollar Tree, EDU. RDSA on fire. July 30th, 45s. Those are up to 35.40. I don't think they're terrible at 40. What's going on in Luxa? I am not your Luxa. Ooh, they're marking parity. That's awesome. Yep, patience here so far, guys. We took one signal in Freeport. Alcoa is still on as a day trade. NLOK higher. NEE up a little bit. It's in the background. You can't hear it? It's in the background. NRG, I'd wait for a pullback. CNET trading here. Nothing in that one. Scanners have been quiet. No covered calls. Alcoa you could take as an ATR trade if you want for the week. Back up to 52.55. They got in at 54. They went down to about 44. They're back up. Rig. Big buyers, no sixes. No sixes, 36.37. I do have a covered call on in Rig. So Rig covered call. I have this week 4.5s. So I like to see the stock above 4.5. Alcoa based on the ATR. They have a 35 delta, so you can take 35 times 183. Anytime you take an ATR trade, you're trying to triple your money. So anytime you're trying to get an ATR trade, you're trying to triple your money. No bonus trading today. So if you got it at 50, I'd look for $1.50 or 0. Yep, that's right. Freeport on the highs. Calls back up. The 38s. FNV trading here. Nothing doing that one. VXX, nothing. RDSA, you get it at 40. Careful your July premium, guys. We do have a holiday coming up. So the 4th of July, we have the 5th. We have a holiday on the 5th. We have the holiday on the 5th. XLV, July 126 is trading here. Small. If the futures go down on the day at some point today, I would not be surprised, guys. If the futures go down on the day at some point today, I would not be surprised. If the futures go down in the day at some point, I would not be shocked. Doesn't mean resource names can't go higher. I'll call it back to 53. Freeport is 52. Come on, give me something. Give me something to talk about. BKR, PAGS trading here, puts. I have a structured note in art, URI. That stock's getting decimated. URI's gone from, let's see where you are. 360 down to 354. It's down about 50 bucks. What's that, 17%? VFF trading here. McDonald's puts trading here. If we have a total reversal, guys, I would not be surprised. If we had a total reversal, I would not be surprised here. Just saying. Facebook July 340s trading here. Amazon down 40. I think Amazon has earnings coming up. Everybody thinks Amazon's going to break above 3,600. NVIDIA announced that split. Down 26 today. Did a new all-time highs at 775. VIX calls. Ooh, VIX down to 1911. Silk on fire. You have a July 13th. This is an oil name. So we took off GLW. GLW, guys. APA higher. Report up a hook. A hook means a half. Tesla down 11. Let's look at Tesla here. I missed my Bitcoin predictions. My Bitcoin predictions, there's going to be 3 of them. Number 1, Tesla outperforms Bitcoin 40,000 versus 600. Great prediction. Bitcoin's getting smoked. Number 2, Ethereum will have a higher market cap than Bitcoin. And number 3, what was my third prediction? That Elon will get behind some coin that will 50x. BK, SEP 50s trading here. See where DraftKings is, Penn. Oh, I sold ENG today. Oh, SBH. More call buyers. Sally Beauty. They like the Sally Beauty. SBH. They bought some calls on Friday, I think it was. Sally Beauty. July 22.5s? No. July 20s? What did they buy on Friday? I'll buy July 22.5s. For 15? Sure. 14 cents. SBH, huge call buyers, guys. SBH, big call buyers. Again. Sally Beauty Holdings. Oh, interesting. I'm looking at these. You get the July 22s for 15. I actually bought them at 15. I'm gonna go 10 bid. So they keep buying SBH calls, guys. SBH calls. Sally Beauty. I think these hit Option Hacker in that last week, too. Let me look at these. SBH, guys, big call buyers of the August 20s. This, I think, has a pretty big short name and a short interest here. SBH, guys, being bought again. SBH being bought again. Oh, futures up 40. What down day on Friday? SBH. Short interest. Ooh, it's only 9%. SEP 20s. SWCH trading. I think the July 20s at 65 aren't bad. Sally Beauty. They're gone now. So let me go to Option Hacker. I think there's something hit last week in Option Hacker. SBH. So they bought July 20s for 55 on Friday. They had bought July 20s on Friday for 55. Now they're buying AUG 20s. I love this signal. I just don't know what to buy. So I'm going to keep an eye on SBH, guys. SBH. SBH. Yeah, we saw July 20th hit on Friday. July 20s at 65, I think, are okay. Dropbacks, AUG 33s trading 17,500 in Dropbox. Dropbox, AUG 33s being bought. Mid-market here. And volume less than open interest. RDSA on fire. So I'm keeping an eye on SBH, guys. Keep an eye on SBH. We're taking off Silca here, guys. SLCA. We're taking Silca off here. RDSA beast mode here. July 30th, 45s. 40 cents are so cheap. So SBH, we see a big buyer. On Friday, we saw the July calls being bought for 55. And then today, we see the August calls being bought. Yeah, yesterday was a rough week. We took off Glow today. We took off PHM on Friday. Considering the market's been down as much as it is, it hasn't been that bad. Because if I brought up the portfolio here, we have one new trade today. So we took off, so BK we took off for a nice winner. PHM we took off for a winner. NOV we took off for a winner. But we had a losing trade in Glow. We've had 2 losing trades in BKR. So I'm just trying to see in June. So in June, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 winners and 4 losers. That's actually not that bad, but it's been a little bit harder. Oxy with $1.25. And Oxy, I haven't seen anything yet. So in Oxy, I haven't seen anything yet. Sally Beauty. Sally, you're so beautiful. AQMS calls being bought again. No, thank you. Sally Beauty traded 389,000 shares, and they just pasted a 5,000 lot of calls. So 5,000 calls controls 500,000 shares of stock. 5,000 calls controls 500,000 shares of stock. Still in Dollar Tree call spreads. TAL down. Trinity put TRIT puts trading here. If the futures go down in the day, don't say AK told you so. Because AK told you so. So SBH is the second straight day we've seen calls being bought. The second straight day we've seen calls being bought in Sally Beauty Holdings. I think the stock goes higher. If you want to take a flyer on July 22.5s for 15 or 20, you could. We saw Macy's calls being bought, AUG 20s. Macy's unchanged. Tesla down 14. HBI, AUG 20s being sold. EXK, I actually got up early this morning and did cardio this morning. Oh, AK is so responsible. Waiting for a pullback in NRG. AES 2022 27 calls. CCAC AUG 10s. No covered calls to do today. Took off PHM, took off Glow. Sally Beauty, a lot of calls being bought. PHM back to 90. You'll just see time getting sucked out of these options, guys, and that's a problem. When we have that big holiday coming out, we just see time being sucked out of those options. I still like the RDSA, guys. You can get these at 40. It's too cheap. RDSA, July 30th, 2021. What should we do with the stocks after our cover calls? You should just exit them all. So I just closed all my stock positions this morning. So I just called for all my stock positions this morning. So before the market opens, I started just selling all my stock positions. I sold ears this morning. Eyes, ears, and nose. Amazon down 45. VIX back down. Still would not be surprised if the market goes down in the day. Would not be surprised. Five minutes to go in the period. got my Baroque on. SENS trading here. Come on, come on. RDSA, these are 730, 45 calls. 730, 45 calls. You can get them at 45 right now. There's 10 offered at 45 cents. 730, 2021, 45 calls at 40 cents. You can get them right here, right now. RDSA, APA up a buck, BKR up a buck. 10.15 on those. LVA down. Oh, Lux says I'm down $2,200. That's awesome. That's funny. I can't create a customized spread. 2 minutes ago, guys. 2 minutes ago in the period. Glow on the highs. Covered calls. I just took off all my stock for now. I'm going to revisit them. We haven't seen any signals. So I just sold all my stock this morning in any covered call, guys. I have a little bit left in LM and L and ZYNE. And just those two left. But I sold a lot of stock today on those covered calls. Sold a lot of stock on those covered calls. I would not be shocked if the futures go down on the day. I don't believe this rally. The market it looks so weak today. Freeport back to the highs. Those calls are back up to 54. Rig, I still have a covered call on. So Rig, I still have a covered call on. Nuance 49 puts trading here. Nothing doing that one. And scanners have been quiet. We've only seen 2 trades from Option Hacker. They've been Freeport and SBH. 1 day trade. MOXC. Nothing to that one. My market's my feeling to the market is I'm shocked to see a rally today. I'm really shocked to see a rally. I think the market will go lower. I'd be looking to buy a little bit on a weakness. I think the oil names are still going to lead us higher. I think oil goes to 100. I think Bitcoin goes to 28,000. Fitch down 2. Dollar Tree, we sold calls out at 30. And then I bought call spreads for 5 cents. That is it for us today, guys. No bonus session today. So everybody have a great day. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later.